I'm gonna go ahead and change the fuel filter on the Suzuki DT55. So this one is actually not in under here. I'm gonna change the other fuel filter that's under here from the gas tank. So I picked one up at the marine boat place. There's the filter we're gonna change right there. See, it's got the fuel line coming from the tank. And it has one going to the motor, one going to that tank right there. It's got fuel in that. Be real careful not to spill that all over. And put the new one on. Okay, this is just like an oil filter. I'm gonna go ahead and get the gasket wet a little bit. There you go.